Alright everyone, here is a 20-inch Utilitech Pelonis plastic box fan. This is technically my second one of these plastic GD Medea box fans. My first one, as you probably remember, was a purple one that danced across my carpet. And there was a backstory behind that one. That one I purchased used, and one of the blades had previously broken by the original owners. And they glued it back together, and I guess the glue was not strong enough and the blade came undone and broke. I didn't even get to make a full video of it. It just broke, and that was really the end of that. Nothing of value was lost though, at all. So I bought this one. Now, I bought this one because I wanted just a lightweight fan to use out on the porch whenever I sit out there to keep the bugs away. And it does really well at that. I bought this over cool colors simply because the cool colors are nice, but they're just very, very, very loud. And this one is a lot quieter. It's not better, but it's definitely, for what I need it for, better for its purpose. But not beating around this bush, it's a very, very, very cheap fan. Pretty much everything on this fan is made of plastic, except the little support beams that connect the actual metal motor, if you can see it, probably not. The little motor to the actual plastic casing, but everything else is plastic. The handle is actually in this little slot right here, and as you can see, the knob is right there in the front. Get you a date code. GD Medea. And it's made in Vietnam, not China, which I thought was weird. But okay. Then February of 2020 was when this fan was made. And here's the back. They used to advertise that these motors have been sealed to essentially protect itself from the rain and whatnot, almost like what Lasco has done with their motors. There's a couple holes for the motor to breathe, but not really a lot. And even in the front, the motor is encased in a plastic casing, which is interesting. There's the handle, and then this is just a little spot where you can secure the cord if you wish, excuse me. I don't do that, but it's there if you need it. And the feet you can fold into place, so if you don't want the feet just to use it in the window, you don't have to use them. I keep them out to have it as a standalone fan. And luckily you still can actually clean these fans. It's a little bit of a process though still. Screw at the bottom that you have to remove. You gotta pull out the knob and then slide the grill out of place. But that's okay. Once you've done it a couple times, it's really not a big deal. So without further ado, let me go ahead and start this one off on low. So overall, not a terrible fan, but it could be better. Here's medium. And here's high. And it blows an okay amount of air. I still think it makes more noise than actual air, but oh well. It does work well on a porch, so that's all I could ever ask for. That's off. One thing's for sure is this motor has really good bearings. It has a very good spin down time. But that's all there really is to it. So that is the 20-inch Utilitech Pelonis plastic box fan from Lowe's. Thank you so much for watching.